Okay. Tell us which school do you go to?
I go to Arya Vidya Mandir.
Okay, and which class would you be in? 8 years old. Which class?
Third B.
Third B. Okay, and who's your class teacher?
Miss Pranita.
Okay, you like her. I knew it. Okay. Okay, now, do you know exactly where is your daddy working?
Yes.
Where?
DSP BlackRock.
And do you know what they do? Yeah. We can do.
He's a fund manager.
Oh my god. And what does that mean? Okay, leave it. So you want to become a fund manager? No, you want to be a scientist.
Yeah.
Why don't you want to be a fund manager? We can do. I'm not here.
I don't know how to manage.
Oh, you want to be a scientist right now?
No.
So by the time you are as old as your father, you know how to manage funds.
I want to be a scientist when I grow up.
Yeah. Okay, anyway. Acha, do you go shopping with your daddy and mama?
Yes.
You do? Where all do you go?
I go to a Shoppers stop. I go to Infinity Mall.
Oh my god, okay. And do you watch movies outside?
Yes.
What all movies have you seen?
I can't remember.
Oh, you've not seen any movie right now, recently?
Yes.
Which one? Can't remember. Do you know how much a movie ticket costs?
No.
You don't know. And this t-shirt that you're wearing, do you know how much it costs?
No.
You don't do the shopping. Your mama does it. Yeah? Okay. Yeah, but you know how much pocket money do you get?
Yeah.
How much?
Take the pocket money from my piggy bank. Earn lots of money.
How did you earn money?
I started when I was 3.
Started doing what?
Earning money.
How did Actually, you started earning from your daddy's wallet.
Yeah.
That is not earning. You know what's earning?
He gave me some money.
So that's just like, you're given the money. Earning, you know what's earning? I'll tell you, earning is when you work and you get money. You do any work and get money?
No.
You should do.
I don't know which work to do.
She will teach her younger sister how to dance and then she'll get money for it. So, does Arjun know computers?
No, not
Do you know
yet.
computers?
Yeah.
So you can teach him computers. Or
Okay.
you can teach your grandfather computers.
He already knows.
So you can teach him what he doesn't know. Or you can do anything else. On Sunday you can wash some dishes, No?
I help my mother in cooking.
Wow, so she should pay you for that. You should get paid.
She doesn't pay me.
Oh no, that's so sad. He's being made to work and not paid. That's really bad. So how much are you going to ask her for if you cook next time?
10 rupees.
Oh, that's all. What are you going to cook?
Whatever my mother tells me.
But what all do you know how to cook?
I don't know the names of the
Do you
recipes.
know omelette?
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So how do you make it? How do you make it?
First, you take the egg, you crack it, you put it in the bowl, and then you take a spoon, take a fork, and you beat it. Then you put it on a pan, and then you put on the fire.
Okay. Good.
Then
Omelette is made. You will get paid well, but you should ask 50 rupees for it. Okay? 50 rupees for an omelette. But if you cook rice, if you cook, some vegetable, then you're going to ask more.
100.
100. So the 100 is justified. It takes 45 minutes to cook for us. So it will take you 1 hour, more than 1 hour. Justified. But don't do work if you're not being paid.
Okay.
And don't give him money. Don't give him money if he's not doing work. So the next time, if you work and you get money, you go out to the mall and you shop yourself. You go with your mom and dad, but you shop yourself.
No, but I want to save all the money.
Oh, you want to save and do what? What do you want to buy?
When I get lots of money, I save lots of it. Then I'll go shopping
You very much.
myself.
And what are you going to buy?
I don't know anything I want to.
Okay, maybe a video game, maybe a, what? Maybe a laptop? He wants a laptop.
Mother won't get me one.
Oh no. Okay, your daddy will get it.
He never wants to.
Okay. 28,000. This is a small one. If you want a big one, then it costs 50,000. Then a bigger one will cost you 1 lakh, 2 lakh. So you have to save a lot of money. So by the time you save this much of money, you will be big enough and your daddy and mommy will want you to buy a laptop. Cool. Thank you so much.